This review will be on the BAUER 20V Cordless 150/300 Lumen compact flashlight. It has a 4.9 review on Harbor Freight's website, and it costs $9.99. The SKU number is 63628 with a model number of 1705C-B. It has two modes, a high and a low, and it has a adjuster for a tight angle and a wide angle. I'm going to show you both. First setting, as you can see. The second setting, and we have an angle to adjust the beam. When I installed the oil cooler on my Harley Davidson motorcycle, it was too hot during the day. I went out in the night at 11 p.m. and installed it between 11 and 1 p.m. on my patio where my bike was, and this is the only light I used. It doesn't only adjust here, but it also has a hanging swivel, and I was able to use this, and I never use anything more than a 1.5 battery, and I have no problems with this. It is one of the best BAUER tools and most used I have. My final review on the BAUER 20V Cordless 150/300 Lumen compact flashlight is a 5 out of 5 stars.